Good morning, dear students. This is your first class in this institute in subject applied physics. So, today we are going to start your first chapter of the applied physics, and according to syllabus there are 5 chapters in your syllabus in this first semester. So this first chapter, which is having physical quantities, measurements, errors in the measurements, and the name of the chapter is the physical world, units and measurements. So today I would like to discuss about the physical quantities and the units. Although nothing is written in this chapter about the unit, but the physical quantity means the unit is associated with the physical quantities, because the no physical quantity is has meaning without the unit. So now I would like to start. What is the physical quantity? So physical quantity or bhautik rashi. So physical quantity is a quantity which can be measured or weighed. Means भौतिक राशि वह राशि है जिसको मापा जा सकता है या तोला जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेंथ, मास एंड टाइम एटसेट्रा. नाउ व्हाट इज द यूनिट? यूनिट इज a measurement or a process of determining the size of a physical quantity is as compared to a basic reference standard, or this basic reference standard value is called the unit of a particular physical quantity. For example, length is measured in meter. These units also has some properties, because the unit is used all over the world, so it can be chosen arbitrarily, or it should be accepted internationally, and it must not be affected from time and place. And if there is any change, it must be known to us, and it should be reproducible. So these properties of the units are in our mind, so that we can use it properly. To express the measurement of any physical quantity, we need to know two things. Number one, the numerical value. The another one is unit. It means any of the physical quantity is represented by numerical value associated with the unit. Means any physical quantity is meaningless, or we can say has not meaning without numerical value, or if it has only numerical value and has no unit, so again it has no meaning. That's why the physical quantity must have two basic things, that is numerical value and the unit. So now what is the numerical value? The numerical value means sankhyaत्मक मान. So numerical value is the magnitude of a physical quantity, or we can say that how many times that unit is repeated or contained in that given physical quantities. यानी कोई भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी या कोई भी यूनिट है वो कितनी बार रिपीट हुई है. मीन्स एज आई सेड अर्लियर दैट यूनिट इज ए बेसिक reference standard, so it is that the value which is repeated, so that number of repetition of the unit is a numerical value. So what now we know what is the unit. About the unit is a basic standard in which the physical quantity is measured. So now we can say that if we take an example of a mass of any body that is equal to 5 kg. So mass of a body is equal to 5 kg. Here we can say that mass is a physical quantity and this number 5 is a numerical value and the kg is a unit. So this 5, if we write here the physical quantity mass equal to 5 kg, if you are having only 5, then it has no meaning. If we are having only kg, then again it has no meaning. So mass equal to 5 kg, then we know that this is the mass and it has value 5 kg. If we denote this physical quantity by q and the numerical value by n and the unit by u, then it can be written as q is equal to nu. Q is equal to nu. Q is the physical quantity and n is the numerical value and u is unit. Here I would like to tell you that q is equal to nu. This n multiplied by u is n and u both are reciprocal to each other. When the number this n, the numerical value of the numerical value is increased, u is decreased, or we can say this is the like 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So when the unit is changed from kilogram to gram, then the numerical value is increased. So like this we can say this numerical value is reciprocal or inversely proportional to the unit. And we can also take another example to understand this fact, that if we take a length of a wire is equal to 10 meter, here then we can again understand this physical quantity q is length and the numerical value n is equal to 10 and the unit is meter. So we deals with the number of physical quantities in this chapter, but all these quantity can be expressed in the different types. Basically these physical quantities are of two types, but the fundamental physical quantity and the derived physical quantity. But we will discuss these physical quantity, the fundamental physical quantity, the supplementary physical quantity, and the derived physical quantity, and fundamental units, supplementary units, and the basic units in next chapter. So now we conclude here today's session, and okay, thanks.